Hey guys, welcome back to LaMaNDi Island Vlogs, where we live our lives every day without regrets. Today I have an actual adventure for you guys. Going to this waterfalls that's hidden and it's like ridiculously close to the Kingston metropolitan area. The bridge are kinda sketchy stills. Oh, brother. Them I can't support me, brother. Them I can't support. Oh shit. One of the things I find most fascinating about Jamaica is that really and truly you're never far away from a gem. It's ridiculous how fast you transition from such a densely productive urban area. Within 5 minutes it's like you're on a completely different. Where I'm at now, it feels like back in the days when I was in Portland as a kid going to the river and all of this, and we're still in Kingston. The higher I go, the more water I see. The more water I see, the more excited I get Maroons. The closer and closer I get, the louder the waterfalls becomes. You guys can hear that? Bro, I'm super excited. I'm super excited. If it's going to be crowded, I hope not. But yeah, just beautiful. Look at this. Nice. Anyways, you know, I'm going to always take time to thank you guys for supporting the channel. Thank you guys for liking the videos, commenting on the videos. You guys really enjoyed the last video, you know. I love the little mix up. I want to know who the girl be. But yeah, as I said, you know, I just went out with a friend. This is beautiful, brother. A lot of people, they would just consider this as bush, but I see it as beautiful. It's just beautiful. The things in life, something as simple as a walk in a lushly vegetated area like this. It just gets extremely cool. Like there's this huge drop in temperature once you reach out there, so it just gets so cool and nice, and the air is just refreshing, brother. It's just this looks promising. This looks very promising, guys. You hear that? Oh yes. Oh yes. This is mad beautiful. I don't know if you can hear me over it. We have a few people over there doing like a photo shoot, but bro, I'm not even have to go through this justice. You can put my part. Yo, brother, the water cool. Bro, the water ridiculously cool. Wait, take off me. Bro, the water cool and fret.
Above the sea, and this story stays with me like a haunting melody. What do spirits say?
Here's the thing, guys. You come in here, you definitely need to take some form of mosquito repellent or bug spray, because the mosquitoes they're here, you know. I came and I saw 3 persons doing a photo shoot kind of thing, so I'm being respectful. So I'm just going to wait a bit before going in the water, you know. Hopefully nobody else comes, and I get this place to myself. Brother, feel like we're right in the jet stream. Like, I'm gonna soak. I'm gonna have to go into the water for soak because the droplets just there everywhere, brother. Yeah. Guys, that's like ridiculously close, like bro, that's extremely cold. It's extremely cold, bro. Ah. This is the first thing I saw. Interesting, isn't it? As in, it's obviously not good, but it's cool, you know. So Maroons, would you believe that the persons that were doing the photo shoot, they just left, and I have this spot all to myself. Believe that? How amazing is this, bro? And I'm here by myself. This spot is, brother, breathtaking. Like, guys, explore Jamaica, Maroons. Explore Jamaica's like this spot is free. It's ridiculous how much this small island has to offer. I'm not sure if you're hearing me because of the thunderous sounds of the beautiful phenomenon behind me. Guys, we have to explore our island and take advantage of the beauties that it offers. We can't let people come from abroad and experience all of this and we here not experiencing it. Given that I'm alone, I do not know how deep under the falls there is, so I am not going to attempt to go under the falls. If I wasn't alone, I would probably attempt it. But given that I'm here alone, not taking that chance. Like, I was expecting to come here and have people here and have to be worrying about how am I going to shoot this, not to include anybody's face in my video, or how am I going to work around the people. But I don't have to do that, and that's just the amazing thing. Hey, make sure to not laugh off my belly, you know. Guys, just share this video, like the video, drop a comment, tell your grandma about the video, tell your little sister, your little cousin about the video, share it on your WhatsApp status, post it on Instagram, tag me. Just spread the word, Maroon. Thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you guys for all the comments. It's really nice interacting with you guys. I feel like I'm building a community. I feel a shout. You know what the funny thing is, guys? There are hundreds of hidden spots like this scattered all over Jamaica. And our duty as Jamaicans is to find them and enjoy them. And of course, what this is a must, we have to take care of them, you know? Because I come here now, the place is clean and it's nice and it's just refreshing, you know? But you don't want to come here and then you find that it's polluted, you have bottles everywhere, because that would subtract from the beauty that is, you know? Man, I wish I had some of you guys with me to experience this. But yeah, drop a comment on the video and let me know what you think about this location. Let me know if you know any other similar kind of hidden locations that you'd like to see me go to, you know.
it's just peaceful and tranquil, and I love it. We need more, what is the song say? We need more of these, you know, like moments of peace. There's nothing else going on but just me enjoying this. Oh my God, I feel where you stand. Get your hands together, just the fucking I like your style. You make me make. Amazing! Amazing! Woo! Yeah! Excited, guys!
When the mist is all gone, there's something inside the water. Don't know where they're coming from. They are free to roam above the sea, and their story stays with me like a haunting melody. What do spirits say? What do spirits say in the darkest days? What do spirits say?
Guys, I had like a full day worth of fun, and it's only been like 40 minutes. So I'm actually going to go get dressed now to leave. Unfortunately, well, it's not unfortunate because I had a blast. Only spent like an hour here, but it was just so amazing that I'm not even complaining to be leaving early. As usual, thank you guys for supporting. Thank you guys for tuning in. Comment down below, let me know what you think about the video. And as I mentioned before, if you know any of these other hidden spots, you can mention it in the comments and I'll check them out. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to subscribe, share the video, like the video. Remember Maroon, in every single thing that you do, be patient, exercise humility, and always be consistent. So that's patience, humility, and consistency. I'll see you guys in the next video.
It's hard to keep my cool, knowing I'm your man. So let's spend some time wasting it away. Your love is like music, you went and changed the game. We're breaking all the rules. Our side signs don't matter. Immigration issues, trying to prove I'm with you. I'm gonna miss you. We'll hate to see you go. Wish time could just go slow. Would truly dim my heart, but it's only time apart. In no time we gon' be right back.